OK. So today, I will talk about deep text components for the energy transition. I will give analytics and AI overview. So we start by saying that the energy transition is taking place mostly in the distribution grid. So this first slide focuses on the smart grid solution that target the low voltage network. In red, you can see the main topics that we identified: smart grid preparation and smart grid operations. While on the left, in green with the tick marks, we are identifying solutions that are already in production. While in orange, we have the prototypes. The text describes the task that we have at hand, the problem that we have, and the solution that we present. And on the right, you can see the references where these solutions are actually running. So starting from the smart grid preparation, our goal here is to give to the DSO all the best tool to understand the current status of their grid. But not only this, but also to forecast its development in the future. For example, to understand the challenges that the e-mobility development will bring in the next years. With this information, we can then optimize and give to the provider the best configuration for their grid and for placing their sensors. And once these sensors are in place, we can then enter the field of real smart grid operations. In the second slide, we are moving forward to other solutions in very hot topics that we have available or in prototype phase. We can start from the climate neutral energy field, where we have a green H2 production optimizer and controller. Also, we have a CO2 simulator and tracker. In the field of asset optimization, we have a working solution in integrated asset monitoring, where we are able to monitor in real time large-scale applications, and not only monitor them, but also give estimates on the remaining lifetime, providing very good possibility of saving times and investments. Finally, we can also deal with challenges in the energy balancing field, where we are very strong in providing forecast, optimizations, and monitoring. But now, let's go a bit more into detail in one of our solutions. We called it OSGAR, that stands for OLT Smart Grid Application Optimizer. And the goal here is to give to the customer the maximum transparency for the minimum investment. We start from data input that is available to the network provider, and we also have some target goals that enter as an input. We implemented a full simulation backend that can simulate the development of the e-mobility, for example, predicting the numbers of charging stations for electric vehicles. But we also have a full power flow simulation that can help us to identify critical line segments and so optimize and suggest where to best place the sensors on the network. And finally, once the sensors are in place, we can offer monitoring for the network. We also have a solution for the green hydrogen production, optimization, and controlling, where we model all the possible components that take part of this equation, and we can produce the most efficient results. And the time is running out, so I'm leaving you with a picture of us, our company, OmegaLambdaTec. It's the core team of data scientists plus the back office. And our mission now is to develop pioneering smart data solution for the energy transition and the sustainable economy. Thank you very much.